Hi.
You want me to do some stickers?
Okay, you can do some stickers.
You want me to do some stickers?
Can you ask nicely?
That's nicely.
You know, can you say please, Mom?
Please, Mom.
Okay. Which stickers would you like to do?
You want that face?
Okay.
You want that face? You want that face?
Okay.
Let's take it off.
Can you ask me nicely?
Nicely.
How do you ask? How do you ask nicely?
Nicely.
Can you say? Can you say, please, Mom? This page, please, Mom. Jack, be careful with those tulips. I see you with those tulips. Hey, Jack, can you put the tulips back on the table, please? Okay. Okay, no problem. This page? Okay. All right. Would you like some stickers too? Who wants stickers? Say, I want some stickers. Yeah, can you say, I would like some stickers, please, Mom? Yeah. All right, let's go. Yeah, you have to ask nicely. All right, all right.